Since I'm very tall, I needed to move the mirror up a bit. It blocked my view down here actually, so it did hide full cars and people trying to cross the road totally. So I first raised the original mirror by filing away a couple of millimeters on the holder. It worked quite nicely, but then I tried this. This is actually not a mirror, it's a screen with a camera on the roof. The point is putting the camera on the roof keeps it clean. It's right behind the shark fin, and contrary to the rear of the car, the rear window, which gets extremely dirty extremely fast, up there on the roof it's kept totally clean. I've driven a couple of really bad weather days and I haven't cleaned the camera yet. This doubles as a dash cam. It has a camera here filming the front and of course recording the rear camera too. So now it accesses the memory and you can watch the what's recorded, and here you can see the front camera. It's raining and I'm parked, or actually snowing, but the picture is very good, and in the evening it actually is slightly better than, it's slightly brighter. It's a good camera in the dark. One disadvantage is that really bright lights, the headlights of cars behind me, they don't get that bright because the screen won't go over white, so it's not blinding me with bright light, but bright lights blur out, so a car will be blurred out when it's dark and they have the headlights on. But it's not bad at all, really. I'll show you. Well, I'll just shut that off. The cable goes back here. Beware, you have the what's that in English? Krockkudde, airbags. You have an airbag here. So when you do route the cable, you need to route the cable over. There's actually a cable, a bunch of cables going over there above the airbag, so you just follow them over, and then what I did is placed the camera in a small housing right behind the shark fin, so as you see it's clean, and I've routed the cable down here to make it easy. You can route the cable through here. There's supposed to be a hole through the roof for the electronics here, so you could go through it down there, but this was very easy to do. And yeah, that's about it.